I think I understand what an account manager is. But what's a key account manager? Who knows? Do we need one in our business? Well, what benefits would they bring us? Now, that wasn't me putting on silly voices. They were real people. They were real. But more importantly, are these questions you're asking yourself? Don't worry, we can answer them. This course is all about what key account management can do for your company. If you have a large customer who's regularly spending a lot of money with you, you might want to prioritize them as a key account. These are the ones you really don't want to lose. Appointing a key account manager gives important customers a dedicated person to make everything run smoothly. It ensures that they have everything they need on time and regularly. But it's not just maintenance. Key account managers are all about innovation and driving your customer's business forward. So, if you've got a giant account that you want to keep hold of, creating a key account manager could absolutely be the right avenue for you. Come on, dive in and find out exactly what key account management can do for you and your big customers.